This is your battery tender extension cable, the official battery tender extension cable, and it has a cover here that protects it because this will be a live wire right here providing power to your vehicle. What you use this for is, for example, you have a battery tender junior like this one right here. So the battery tender junior has its own cable, but sometimes this cable is just not long enough and you need something to extend it. So you can attach it to this extender cable right here. So then just go ahead and connect it like this. Boom. And then now this part, because it's a live wire, you can keep it capped off. And when you're ready to connect to your car, for example, right here, so when we're ready to connect it to our car, you see how we have this one in our car. So when I drive, I keep this one just tucked away like that. And when I park, I can grab this, open up this, and then with the extension, pull this out and then connect it like this. Boom, and now my car is being charged. So this is the extension right here, and it's a solid extension, and you know it works because right there, we're getting the green light, which means it's maintaining our car right now. Sweet, there we go.